Hello students, today I have brought for you one of the most important question of class 10th light chapter, and this question is from concave lens light. So let us see what is the question. A concave lens of a focal length 15 cm forms an image of 10 cm from a lens. How far the object is placed from the lens, and draw the ray diagram. Students, here given that it is a concave lens, and concave lens focal length f is equal to given 15 cm. Okay, as it is concave lens, it will become minus. Also given it forms an image of 10 cm from the lens, that is image distance, students, given v is equal to 10 cm, and image distance also minus, as it is a concave lens. Okay, so it is asking to find out that how far the object is being placed from the lens. That means object distance u is asking what. So as you know that the lens formula, according to lens formula, students, you know what, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So you have to find out u. So it will become minus 1 by u. You transpose this, it will become 1 by f minus 1 by v, right? This implies that this minus will be go to right hand side. Then what will become? This sign will be get changed. So it will become 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. So this implies that, students, it will become what? 1 by u is equal to this much. So 1 by u is equal to, take LCM, that is vf, that is f minus v. So 1 by u is equal to this much. So u will become what, students? That is vf by f minus v. So now put the value. V is given, that is minus 10, and f is given minus 15, right? Minus 15 divided by f is given, students, minus 15, then minus v is given minus 10, that is minus 10. So what will become? Minus into minus plus 10, 15 are 150 by 15 minus 15, a minus into minus plus, so minus 15 and plus 10, it will become minus 5. Yes or no? So now it will be reduced, that is 5 1s are 5, 3s are 15. Okay, so it will become minus 30, students, right? So you got minus 30, correct? So object distance is 30 centimeter to the left of the mirror, as it is minus, okay, minus 30 centimeter, students, correct? You have to write. Then also asking, draw the ray diagram. As it is a concave lens, you know the lens whose middle is thinner and edges are thicker. Okay, this is a concave lens, and this is the principal axis, and this is the optical center. First principal focus, first center of curvature, that is f1 to f1, and second principal focus, that is f2, and second center of curvature, that is to f2. Okay, it is given that, students, focal length minus 15 centimeter. So this distance is equal to 15, and as you know, r is equal to 2f. So this total radius of curvature from this to this also become what? 15 to 30 centimeter. Okay, as object distance is given 30 centimeter, so no doubt object will be lie at the center of curvature. Object name is suppose AB. Okay, and now draw the ray diagram. So you will use the rules. First rule is what? That a ray coming parallel with the principal axis, after refraction it will appears to come from the principal focus. Okay, it will appears to come from the principal focus, but actually it will refract in this direction. Okay, but it will appear with that it is coming from the principal focus. Another rules just you follow, students, that is rule number 3, that a ray coming through the optical center, after refraction it will pass by on deviation. Okay, so both the refracted rays of light are appears to meeting here, that is object was AB and image now forming A dash B dash, and image is very diminished size than the object, and to the left side of the lens, that is a virtual image is forming. Okay, so this is the correct ray diagram. Okay, so students, to find such type of question to solve most easiest way, please write, subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type videos. And if you have doubt in this video, so that you just put in the comment box so that I can clear it out in the next videos. Okay, thank you, have a nice day ahead.